Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Ever hosting review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about the software called Ever Hosting. So this is an Ever Hosting review. Right now we are not on the sales page and the demo video is not ready yet because nothing is ready yet. So they are not ready, but I am. This product Ever Hosting is launching 2 days later, and I'm doing an early review, and as I said, they are not ready, but I am. So this software is going to provide you some website hosting. So it says here, world's first 20 times faster web hosting that helps your customer to host unlimited websites and domains for a low one-time fee. Usually that fee is around $17, as you can see here, 17 to start with, but they will have some OTOs. Let's take a look at the OTOs. There are they, I guess, here, 17, 32, this and that, okay? So I guess in short, let's keep it short, you will be able to host your website in one-time cost if you believe them, okay? You will always find the demo video later on if you watch somebody else's review, because I don't have time for all this, okay? Because if you want to make money, then you don't need to make a website, okay? I don't know if you come across with some idiots who say that you have to go and start a website so that you can make money. Well, they are the idiots, that's all, okay? Nobody makes money from websites in 2023. Otherwise, why do you think I am making a video right now? Why am I doing this Ever Hosting review on YouTube? Why just I can't go and write some the buttons keyboard and I do this theoretically on my website? So instead of having this video review, I could have a theoretical review on my website. But the point being is, if I record a YouTube video, I know for sure that in next 24 hours this video will get 5-10 views, okay? But when I do the review on my website, I know for next 10 years I will not get even a single click. Bottom line, websites don't make money. Throw this on the face of such people who tell you that go and start a website for making money online, okay? So you can start a website for some other things. For example, I have my website for my branding as per my company name for my business, okay? If you have to establish your brand, your business, your company, and you want to create a website for that, surely you should go and create the website for that. In that case, you should go with reliable companies, those companies who charges you every month some subscription, okay? Because you cannot trust one-time software for your main website. These software will work, will not work, nobody knows. Like they're like Chinese things, okay? They might work for 5 days, 50 days, 5 years, or they might explode in 5 minutes, okay? So you can't trust one-time software in $17 to work for you for lifetime. But if you have any third approach, which means that you want to start a website and you want to test out the website for 1 or 2 months only and see if you want to carry on or not, in that case, probably you can buy something at $17 and start one website or host one website and see how it goes, okay? So two things. First, if you want to start a website for making money, not gonna happen. Don't waste your money, okay? Second case scenario, if you want to establish your brand and you want to keep your website live for a number of years to come, then go for some reputable brand and pay them monthly. Third thing is, if you only want to test out your website for a month or two and you want some hosting in one-time cost, then maybe you can go and try this. You will find the link below my YouTube video, okay? So in the description below, it will be saying grab Ever Hosting copy here. That link will take you to the sales page. Right now their sales page is not live, as you can see, because I am doing the early review because I am ready, okay? I don't wait for anybody else. So let's cut the crap. The only reason I make these videos so that I can make the review. The only reason I do these reviews so that I can make my YouTube video. Pretty simple. Why I make videos? Because there are many reasons, okay? First thing is that only I do this, nobody else does, okay? Now, what does it mean? I mean, other people are making reviews as well, okay? But the way I do it, nobody else can do. Everybody else is a robot. You know what a robot means? I'll go below my video, click on the first link, go on my bonus page. These are number 1, 2, 3, 4 bonuses in your ass. Take them, buy from me, tada, bye, bye. I'll see you next week, or I'll see you tomorrow, right? Everybody out there is here to sell you everything. Have you realized that everybody comes on YouTube and they sell you something today, they sell you something tomorrow, and then next day and next day and next day. So you keep watching their videos, you keep watching their reviews every day, but have you realized that Why do they have to come on YouTube if everything they're promoting is making money? If everything which they are asking you to buy in their videos and asking you to go and buy from me because of some blah blah bonuses, the common thing, don't you fucking notice that every day they're selling you different thing, but the thing which remains the same is that they come on YouTube to sell you that. So what is the common platform? What is the common thing they do every day? Is that they make YouTube video. So the product which they sell you every 7 days in a week, those products keeps changing in their videos, but what doesn't change is that they come and use YouTube to sell you. So YouTube as a platform remains the same in their strategy, and the products keep changing. So you buy something today, you buy something on Monday, you buy something else on Tuesday, you buy something else on Wednesday, but they keep using the same platform, YouTube, to come and rip you off every day in the name of bonuses. Grow up, get a life. So I will try to make this video short because I don't want to waste my time and energy on this. Okay, I have done whatever I have done. So this hosting thing will give you some hosting, right? How does this software work? Their demo video is not ready yet, and I don't have time. I'm on a short fuse. So let's get back here, because if your end goal or your whole and soul, and if your purpose is only to make money online, if you buy something from this website called Varia Plus, you will never make any money online, okay? And this ever hosting is not about making money anyway, it's about hosting only, okay? So in case I told you, if you are from the third category that, oh yeah, you want to try hosting a website for a month or two, then you can go and buy this software in one-time cost, okay? But if you are here only to make money online, then I will leave my links below the video. You can try them, you can check them if you want to. Otherwise, who cares? I made my money, I'm walking away. Nobody cares about anybody else, okay? Other people who give you bonus, what do you, hold on! Let's clarify this. What do you think that somebody else offers you some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bonuses? So are you some special to them? If I give you some 5, 10 bonuses in my each video, what makes you think that you will become someone special to me? No, I'm gonna offer you some fucking robotic bonuses and going through the same script over and over again because I want fucking your money. That's all. So when somebody is going to give you some bonuses in your hours, the only reason they're giving you because they fucking want your money. You're no special to anybody. You're a piece of shit. They know you are a fucking loser, and as soon they offer you some fucking bonuses, you will hand over your real cash to them. That's why they rip you off, and you deserve to rip off because not everybody does what I do. So only I am doing this. As long as I'm doing it, you are in my debt. I owe you nothing. You want to make money online, check out my methods, because these methods makes money with the guarantee. There's no person on the planet who can give you the guarantee that it will make money. Other training courses, other people who sell their stuff, they will say, you know, you go and do this, but there's no guarantee. You know, in their disclaimer, it will be saying, it depends on your hard work, how much you time put in, how much you hard work put in, and then you will only make money. But these methods, if you do them correctly, you will make money with the guarantee. You know why? Because when I record my YouTube videos, in these YouTube videos, you have seen some ads, okay? So these ads make me money whether you buy something or not. So tomorrow, if you go and make your own YouTube videos and somebody else will watch your videos, and if they will if they will watch your ads in the video, you will make little bit money without even selling anything. That will work as a motivation, because if you make 10 videos on YouTube and you do not get a sale, you will quit because you will think that, oh, nobody's buying, so it doesn't work. Well, every fucking thing works, okay? Because I have made 1,400 reviews in the last 2 years, so it works it. And plus, for me, I make money without even selling anything, okay? So I'm going to save my breath here. First method is all about to make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Forex trading is this. Buy low, sell high. Buy high, sell low. We do this on automation using a software. More details coming shortly. This Make Money with Traffic Jarvis will teach you exactly how to make money on YouTube, just like, you know, what I'm doing right now, okay? In the end, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell thingy, and watch the video till the end. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on Super Thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Now, Forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time, because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, This is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay. Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay, so again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without your without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits. Okay, when the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not. Okay, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually. Okay, both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me. Okay, so choose whatever suits your situation. Okay, in the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.